high rises in urban areas. It's still unclear, though, if these towers will actually become reality.
They look like they were sketched on a bar napkin. I mean, they're not very high tech looking. Can you get a patent on a bar napkin? I don't know.
With the right specs, I think you can.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Could you feel it today, guys? We didn't hit 110.
It
we
still
cooled
felt-
off,
It was nice, huh?
I should appreciate it when we don't. Then
107 degrees today, guys. The numbers finally starting to come down, I guess, a little bit. But, I mean, there's still some moisture out there, too, so it didn't feel very nice either way. It was 102 Nogales, 96 Sierra Vista today. On this date, back in 1990, we did hit our hottest temperature ever recorded here in Tucson at 117. Temperatures tomorrow pretty similar to what we saw today. I still think we're topping out at around 105 to 108 degrees on your Tuesday afternoon, but we're going to start to lose some of this moisture. So even though those temperatures are going down, those rain chances start to go down as well for us across the area. Still 106 degrees at the airport now, still 110 plus in the Phoenix metro area, 97 down in Nogales, 87 for you in Sierra Vista. And here's those dew point numbers, kind of holding on to the 40s and 50s depending on your location across southern Arizona, and that was good enough to get a couple of those isolated storms going today. But again, this afternoon, we just missed out here in Tucson. We couldn't get much of those to move into the metro. At around 2-3 o'clock, we had one storm try to move over into the Catalina foothills, but most of this is staying just off to the east. We had one strong storm over the Reddington Pass area with about 5 to 10 lightning strikes there. Could run into a couple of quick downpours between Vail and Benson, along with some gusty winds out of those showers as well in that 30 to 40 mile an hour range, which could limit that visibility, pick up some of that blowing dust. Otherwise, a few more showers down toward the Sonoyta Elgin area. They could certainly use the rain down in that area, hit so hard by the wildfires so far this year. A couple more showers and storms up in northern sections of Graham County. All of this activity today slowly drifting off to the south at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. But again, it does look like this is going to stay out of the Tucson metro area tonight. And after today, it looks like we're really going to start to limit those rain chances. High pressure starts to move down to the south because of a storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. And when this happens, it draws those winds back out of the west, which is just a dry flow for us this time of year, which is kind of a shame because we actually have a hurricane down in the eastern Pacific. This is Hurricane Dora right now. And a lot of times we can tap into some of these the moisture from these storms, but it doesn't look like it's just going to happen because of our setup. Not right. This is just going to kind of continue to head back out into the eastern Pacific over the next couple of days. For us here, we start to dry out, maybe a couple of storms building up near the Arizona-New Mexico border tomorrow, but that's about it for us. We'll be back to all sunshine all the time by Wednesday through the rest of your work week, but at least those temperatures slightly lower for us. 107 for a daytime high here in Tucson tomorrow. You'll be right around 100 degrees, places like Sierra Vista and Douglas, and here's that 7-day forecast. Start to go down below 105 on Wednesday, and that's pretty much where we stay into the upcoming weekend. Little day-to-day change after tomorrow. Download the News 4 Tucson weather and traffic app. That monsoon will be here before you know it. Get that to your mobile device, and this year you can fine-tune it by clicking in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and turning on those watches and warnings to your exact location. All sorts of good stuff on there. You've got our 7-day, our video forecast, all the things you need to stay ahead of these monsoon storms this year, which we're still hoping, 4th of July, this 7-day almost takes us there, but,
you can feel it coming.
yeah, it's trying.
Yeah, it's working, just not hard enough.
Yeah, work harder. Okay.